Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you this makeup look and hairstyle inspired by Alia Bhatt, and I hope you will like it. To start off with, I'm going to use this primer from Maybelline, and I'm going to apply this on my T-zone and a bit on my cheeks to make sure that the pores are minimized and my foundation has a smooth base to work on. Moving on, I will be using this foundation from Nykaa and this liquid highlighter from, not liquid but cream highlighter from YBB, and I'm going to mix the two to make sure that I have a very dewy and glowy and very healthy looking skin. I'm going to mix the two products and then dot it on my face and my neck to make sure that the product is evenly distributed, and then I'm going to use a damp sponge. Again, this one is from YBB and this is the best makeup tool ever created, and I absolutely love this. Make sure that you're always dabbing your sponge and not dragging, because otherwise it will move your foundation and it can look patchy as well. Moving on, I will be using this concealer from Maybelline. This is again my absolute favorite. It just gives a beautiful finish, and it's the formula is really beautiful. I'm going to keep the foundation for a couple of minutes before I actually blend it in my skin, and again I'm using the same makeup sponge for this as well. Now YBB makes really good makeup sponges, so if you are looking to invest into good makeup sponges, then I think this is your product. Now moving on, I will be setting my concealer and my foundation using this compact from Fit Me. Again, I love the finish of this on my face, and the pigmentation is also great. You can wear this on alone as well, and it's going to look good. And I'm going to set my under eyes with this same powder as well. Moving on, I will be doing my eyebrows first, and I'm using this Wet n Wild eyebrow kit, and this is such a beautiful eyebrow kit for my brows specifically because the colors are just made for me, and I'm more of a powder eyebrow person, but this one comes with a wax as well, so if you are looking forward to a long day, then probably you can set the eyebrow hair with the wax as well. And moving on, I will be using the same concealer as an eyeshadow base to make sure that I have a smooth canvas, and my whatever eyeshadows I'm going to apply on my eyes, they actually pop up. Then I'm using this cute AF palette from Colourpop, which is so beautiful. I absolutely love this one. I'm going to pick a bone sort of a shade, and I'm going to set that concealer in. Moving on, I will be using this shade. It's a very beautiful shade which gives you orange as well as brown undertones, and I'm going to set this into my crease very beautifully. And then I'm going to pack this dark brown shade right into my crease to get a lot more depth and dimension. And then I'm going to repeat these two shades on my lower lash line as well in the same order. First the light brown orangey shade and then the dark brown shade. And once that is done, I'm going to dig into this NYX Sweet Cheeks blush palette, and I'm going to pick that gold shade because all the other gold shades that I have are very popping, and they're like too much into your face. So I wanted a very subtle thing. If you look at Alia's makeup as well, she doesn't really have a lot of gold, so that's why I picked this shade. And I did apply mascara off camera as well. It was Gigi Hadid mascara in collaboration with Maybelline. It's a beautiful formulation, and I absolutely love it. Then picking the bone shade, again I'm going to highlight my eyebrows and my inner corners because I didn't want any glitter highlighter there, so yeah, I picked a matte shade. Then using the Balm's Bahama Mama bronzer, I'm going to just give my face a lot more dimension. I'm going to carve out my cheekbones, my jawline. I'm going to even shape a bit of my forehead and my nose, and I absolutely love the outcome of this bronzer. It's a very universal one and almost suits a lot of skin tones. Then again, picking that cream highlighter from YBB, I'm going to first apply it on the highest points of my cheeks basically, and I'm not applying it everywhere but on my cheeks because I want a crazy highlight. And I am also cleaning my contour because with the same compact powder, but I didn't want to go any heavy, so I used the same compact powder, not a loose powder. And then I'm going to set that cream highlighter with the same golden shade from the NYX palette, and I'm setting everything in. And I'm also using it on other highest points of my face as well. Now moving on to finish the look, I'm going to use this liquid lipstick from Colourpop. It's in the shade Creeper, and it's such a beautiful, cool toned red, really pretty, and I absolutely love this one. And I did overline my lips a bit for this look because Alia has a fuller lower lip, so I thought I should do that as well. Now for the hairstyle, I'm going to start with the middle parting, and then I'm going to take a 2-inch sort of a section from the front on one side, and then I'm going to pin it at the back like this. You can use Tic Tacs or bobby pins as well. I'm using 2 Tic Tacs or side over here, and I'm going to repeat the same step on the other side as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this look, and this is how it looked. I absolutely enjoyed recreating this one, and in no way I'm trying to look like Alia. I can never look like her, and I don't want to look like her as well. And this is just an inspirational video. I got inspired by her look, so I created this look, and I hope you will like it too. And if you did, then please subscribe, and I will see you guys very soon. Till then, bye bye, take care.